What's the date today?
It's Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025.
Friday, 3rd of January. Now I still got a 1% of battery. Let me show you the battery. Okay, I still got a 1% battery. And last time I charged my Apple Watch Ultra 2, it's 9:47 a.m. Tuesday, and today's Friday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 days. 24, 48, 72. Wow, 72 hours. More than that, because I still got a 1% of battery. And let's check the battery health. It's 97%. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I'm turning on the low power mode last night. It's 5%. So I turn on the low battery mode, low power mode. Now I still got a 1% of the battery. So pretty useful. What do you think, guys? If you're thinking to buy an Apple Watch, I strongly recommend you to think about this Apple Watch Ultra 2. Maybe Ultra 3 next year. But still got 8 months left, right? So think about this one. Great job. I have to charge this Apple Watch Ultra 2. I have to charge it because on a 1% of battery, it's not good for the watch. All right. Great job. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Next time. Peace. Banana.